Thinking about getting a dash cam but not sure which one truly records the best 4K footage? You're about to find out. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best 4K dual dash cams, packed with crystal clear video, night vision, GPS, and parking protection. Whether you want top-notch clarity, smart features, or all-day security, we've got you covered. Stay till the end to find out which dash cam deserves the #1 spot. Let's go. Item number 5. The Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam captures stunning 4K footage from the front and 1080p from the rear, covering a wide 150 degrees plus 140 degrees angle. Equipped with a Sony STARVIS 2 sensor and f1.5 f1.8 apertures, it delivers clear, vibrant videos even in low light. Enjoy ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi with up to 20 megabits download, built-in GPS for live speed and route tracking, and a 3-inch IPS display. Its advanced features make every drive safer and stress-free. The camera comes with a free 128 gigabytes card, supports up to 1 terabytes, and features 24/7 parking mode, motion detection, and loop recording for complete peace of mind. Item number 4. The REDTIGER F7NP Dash Cam captures stunning 4K front and 1080p rear footage with a wide 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear view. Its f1.5 aperture, 6-layer lens, and HDR/WDR technology ensure clear, vivid videos even in low light. Connect via Wi-Fi to the REDTIGER Cam app to view, download, and share recordings instantly. Built-in GPS tracks real-time speed and routes, while loop recording, G-sensor, and 24-hour parking mode provide continuous security. A 32 gigabyte memory card is included, making this dash cam perfect for reliable, all-day driving protection. Item number 3. The J-Zone's 3-channel dash cam records stunning 4K footage of the road ahead, 1080p interior, and 1080p rear simultaneously, with 155 degrees front and 130 degrees rear interior wide angles. Equipped with a STARVIS 2 HDR sensor and f1.8 aperture, it delivers crystal clear night vision and adapts quickly to changing light. Built-in GPS logs speed, location, and routes, while Wi-Fi 6 allows instant access via the J-Zones app. Loop recording, G-sensor collision detection, and 24-hour parking mode ensure continuous protection. Includes a free 64 gigabyte card, perfect for rideshare drivers and daily security. Item number 2. The REDTIGER F7N Touch Dash Cam captures stunning 4K front footage and 1080p rear video with 170-degree front and 140-degree rear wide-angle lenses. Equipped with a STARVIS 2 sensor, HDR/WDR technology, and f1.8 aperture, it delivers exceptional night vision. The dashcam features a 3.18-inch touchscreen, voice control, built-in GPS, and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi with 20 megabits download speed. Loop recording, G-sensor collision detection, and 24-hour parking mode provide continuous security. Includes a free 128 gigabytes card, easy installation, and an 18-month warranty for reliable all-day driving protection. Item number 1. The BotSlab G98H 3K 4-channel dashcam offers full 560 degrees coverage with front, rear, and dual interior cameras, capturing crystal clear 3K front and 1080p other angles. Its f1.8 aperture, 6-lens design, DR, and infrared LEDs ensure sharp night vision. Features include a 3.1-inch touchscreen, voice control, built-in GPS, and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for fast 4K video transfer. The dashcam supports loop recording, G-sensor collision detection, and 24/7 parking mode with supercapacitor for all-weather reliability. Includes a free 128 gigabytes card and supports up to 512 gigabytes for complete driving protection. Which of these dash cam is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.